Try to get some better PID.
Where's it from?
Compound, right?
Hey, compound, white building.
Compound,
white town. Hey, white town. Hey, move.
Hey, watch how much fucking 40.
Hey,
yeah. Southwest.
Can we go sit that way?
Hey, hold up. Hold up. Hey, hold up. I don't want to hit set. Hey, the fires. Hey, they're moving southwest. You gotta hold fires in southwest. Hey, enemies moving southwest. Hey, yeah, come here now. Hey, sir, we got nothing on the east side. Nothing working these dudes. Yeah, I know. They're moving. You just gotta deconflict everybody's spot. Hey, Shepard. Yes, sir, we got nothing on the east. Okay. Yeah, hey,
anything moves in the white towers, I shoot.
That's fine.
Yep.
Because these bitches are gonna try to move it around us.
Which way are you moving? Southwest?
Yeah, we think they're moving southwest. The issue is. Do you see any of them?
Negative.
Hey, get fucking.
Hey, we got any binos?
Hey,
What's up? We have any binos?
Thomas.
Hey, Bravo section. Hey, we're going over here.
How many guys do you have up there?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Hey, sir.
What? Yeah.
Hey, they got nothing over there.
I know, but they're gonna maneuver.
Yeah, they're maneuvering right now. We got 6th, 3rd platoon up here.
Okay. Yeah, that's 2 minutes.
Lewis.
Hey, Ryan.
Hey, we get the Mark 48 down there.
Hey, watch this car coming our way.
LT wants guys down there.
Watch out.
All right. Lewis, stay fast. All right. No, you got 3 guys in that corner?
Hey, A&A. Car.
All right, you got one there?
See the car?
Yeah. Hey. Let me hit him with a 40.
No, don't. No.
Fuck me.
I'm just saying, watch it.
I'm ready. Yeah.
Hey, are those fuckers? 360, 40 with the A&A, you're working air.
Where?
What do we got? They just
Like directly south.
So I lock it. It's the
South, south.
at the end of the tree line?
Yeah, that's where they were, and then they were in the tree line.
There's 2 guys down there at the end of
South
the
of
tree
that
line.
compound.
Right now? Yeah, they're standing right there. Right
Yeah,
now.
I can't see weapons. I
There's no
can't.
weapons though.
No, yeah, I
They're
can't
just
see
standing
what.
there, brown and white.
Just hone in on it. They're not soon enough. Just keep an eye on those guys. Because I think they dropped their weapons and came out here to watch.
We
Look.
got people on the rooftop straight ahead from me.
Guaranteed. This many this year.
You see? All right, so the quad to the right of the white top one? Yeah.
Do we have to maneuver south right now,
2
sir?
windows with the bars? Yeah, to the right. Yep.
Single window.
There's like 4 people up there.
Hey, in this lull. Give me a fucking. Hey, give me an 8.
Hey, Freeman.
I have to shoot. I haven't
Open the big pouch.
all year.
Big pouch?
There's a black pouch sitting right on top. Like an iPro case.
Hey, I need a fucking ace.
Is that where you keep your
Yeah.
I got my 40 mic in there. Thank
Someone
you.
lost some knee
Okay.
pads.
Hey, Lock, and you said that basically that
fine.
intersection of the 2 tree lines down there is the last spot. Right here, sir. They were on the. They came and had us from this compound. Yep. First, and then in these tree lines is where they let us up. And they had eyes on dudes running. Okay. Yeah. Keep reiterating. Yeah. Down that way. Yeah, because I see guys that came out of the wood line over here, but I can't confirm weapons. We can't shoot either way. Yeah, no, that's the thing they saw, and that's when we were like, hold, because we got second down that way. I can get
1 magazine. How much you use?
No, A&A don't right here.
I use 240 mic and about half a
Hey, can
mag.
you do me the tree line about 400 meters starts south? Can you do me a favor? Hey, can you yell down to A&A to stay here? Okay, I'll cover you, I promise.
3.
Just yell, make sure they don't leave this compound, this area, 'cause you got birds watching.
Starting locking. Hey, I'm ready for the dudes. I got the dudes up here. Lace. When
Okay, just what you want. What are we doing?
He said he preferred to go and cover the other side.
Who's to the?
No. It's not. What's that? Fucking.
How much did you buy?
You got eight. Oh, you got 1,000 rounds, right?
You got 1,000?
Okay.
So you're 800.
800, 556 linked. 6, 12. Hey guys, Give me a mag. 6 Yep. And what about your Chief? One.
I shot 2 already.
1 and 2.
How many you got left?
6.
6? Just be careful.
He fired 2.
Roger.
My whole thing is, we got to get out of here. You know what I mean?
Hey, what do I got for an ace over there? Just give me the round count and then number of max per man. Average. You got those, Thomas, you got those vinyl?
I got a pair in my bag. You want them?
Yeah, I'd like them.
They started in this.
Hey, King. Hey, go in my bag. Top pouch on the outside. There's a pair of 24s in there. And my bag's right here.
Is it on your back?
Yeah. Actually, it is on my bag.